Anything mic.
Hello. Hello. So we're testing yung DPI. So far, we're recording yung uh, the units. We're in an open area. I can move, di ba? So what's good about this unit is, okay?
Okay, it's recording naman.
What?
Okay.
Hindi pala?
Hindi, naka-record ka.
Okay, so we're testing the unit for solo vlogger. What is good about this one is you can move. You can move from one place to the other. The drone is following you. We're in an area, open area, no? So the area is uh, allowed naman yung flying. So we're testing it, no? So you move from one location to other. The drone is following you. So we'll go here, no? So it's still following. Very good. I'll go to the other area. Okay. So I can move from one area to another area with very few people. No? Today is our last day here in Hong Kong for a family vacation. No? So while I'm moving, the drone is recording also, no? From one area to the other. This is an area, populated area, here in Hong Kong. So this is an open area, open field. Our flight is 5 p.m. today. So we're just wasting or maximizing our time. Few minutes from now, we'll be taking a late lunch. Okay, so very good. No? This is DJI, top of the line, but the smallest na drone, ideal for mga solo vlogger. Let us see the results. But we saw kanina, yung resolution is very nice. No? Resolution. Let's go. Very efficient, no? We're told that this type of drone, Neo, can travel as far as 10 kilometers. Then you have yung recording time of almost 20 minutes. So maganda na rin. It consists of 3 batteries. Pwede rin siya mag-follow actually. This is, you can instruct the drone to follow you. So you go from this location. Let us see kung if it can really follow, no? The area. Let us see if, no? So obstacles, it can change, no? Follow all the obstacles. Proven naman siya, no? From one area to the other. Okay, let's go here. Let us see if the drone can follow us. Okay, go here. Go here. Let us see. It's recording. Let us see here. So it's changing directions. Amazing din pala, no? Because you can record everything. So for example, if you're uh, riding a bike or even in a motorcycle, slow motorcycle, walang mag-record sa'yo, this drone is ideal. Na, balik tayo dito sa area. Sunod na sunod siya. Oh. Let us see. Yeah. Go from here. Let us see. How, okay. Galing, oh. No? Let us see. Okay. It's recording. Okay. Let us see. Tingnan natin. Fast walking. Tingnan natin. Okay. Return to home properly. Nag-warning na siya. No? Ten seconds. Okay, go. Okay, go. Magbaba na siya. Critical battery daw eh. Ha, ito yan.